When you open Adobe Premiere for the first time, it will show like this. The first page showing new project, open project and help. If already you have done the projects, it will be shown here. If you want to create a new project, you have to say new project. Already existing project can be open from open project. In this I want to create new project. When I click new project, it will ask location, name. I will type editing interface. Location is the area where it will store the temp files, and name is the starting name you want to create the project. And besides the general, you are having sketch disk, where the captured video, the captured audio, whatever the renders, effects, previews, audio previews will be shown here. So I will go to the general. Location is taken. I have given the name as editing interface. I will click OK button. Now this opens the new sequence. In this, it is showing lot of presets. It is just like explained previously in resolutions and video standards, SD and HD resolutions. In this, there are so many presets available. In this, what preset I have to select first? This depends upon your camera resolution handling. If the camera is full HD, you have to look after in this if the preset is supporting full HD or not. If none of the preset is non-supporting full HD, you have to create your own HD. In this topic, I will create full HD. So in order to create a full HD, click any of the preset, select any preset, go to settings. In the editing mode, select custom. In custom, you can change the timeline. So HD, I am using two types. One is 25 and one is 29.97. For this lesson, I will select 29.97 frames per second, because most of the cameras in the world at the rate of 29.977, that is NTSC signal, and full HD resolution is 1920 by 1080. I will type 1920 1080. This is frame rate, also called as video resolution. See, number of pixels arranged in horizontal by vertical. For the cameras right now, the modern camera, digital cameras is having the pixel aspect ratio is HD is square pixels 1.0. There are a lot of presets in pixel aspect ratio. It depends upon the camera. So generally HD cameras use pixel aspect ratio of square pixels. And other than this, the pixel aspect ratio is for old tapes, and anamorphic is for cinematic, and fields stands for progressive scan. And in this you have to select progressive scan. Why you are selecting progressive scan compared to upper and lower? Most of the HD cameras shoot in progressive scan mode. Progressive scan mode is just like a smooth picture, smooth paper printed out from the laser printer. The display format timecode audio, which is taking sample heads, display video previews is taking Microsoft FBA, and it is saying in the below you can have one called as save presets. So before saying OK, you have to save this as a save preset, because in the preset we are not having full HD format. Now we'll save full HD 1080p. You can write description. See, now in the custom, in the presets, in all the presets in the custom, I can have my own preset, that is full HD 1080p, video settings, resolution 1920 by 1080, frame rate, pixel aspect ratio square pixels, progressive scan is showing. Now we have did our first topic, how to create the custom preset in Premiere. In the sequence name, it is showing sequence 1 because we are doing the first sequence. So that is why it is showing the sequence 1. We can type sequence name to other name also. I will say OK. Please subscribe to my channel in the below link so that you can get more updates and more lessons. So please subscribe.